Hey everybody, I am in my craft spot tonight and I'm all alone. My son hasn't checked in yet, so I'm not really quite sure where he's at. He may be coming in right now in just a minute, so you may hear him pull up. Jerry has come in and picked up his guitar, so he's playing music. So there's Zach. Zach's somewhere. He hasn't told me where he's at, but hey Zach. I just wanted to pop on here for a few minutes and share my paper pumpkin box that I got in the mail. And the reason why I am showing you guys is because it's an unbelievable deal. For the month of, let's see, April and May, you get half off. So a lot of my friends are a lot of beachy people, so this month's paper pumpkin kit is a beachy theme. So I just wanted to pop on here and sorry, I'm trying to read comments at the same time, and just show you what this paper pumpkin box contains. I haven't even opened it yet. I've saw a couple of sneak peeks. This paper pumpkin kit is a monthly card kit. Hey Charlene. And it gives you enough product to make sometimes 8 cards, and that it's always a surprise. You never know what's in there. You get your ink, you get your stamping cube, you get your card bases, and you can design them however you want. There's also instructions on how to do this. Thanks for sharing, Zach. So I'll just get started. We've got 4 people watching. Hey, 4 people. Thank you so much. This is my first Facebook Live video sharing what I love to do. I am a demo for this company called Stampin' Up. You can make money at it, but I'm really not interested in making money. I do it for fun. As you can see, all my craft stuff is in the living room. Hubby is supposed to be making me a craft room, so hopefully he's going to get started on that pretty soon. So I'll have my own little place to work. My cat's over here, my dog's over here, so there's no telling what you'll hear in the background. So I'll just get started. I've got my computer over here so I can see how everyone's commenting, asking questions or whatever. If I don't see you, it's because I'm fixing to turn the camera around. So thank you guys for visiting with me tonight. So I'm going to swing the camera around, so y'all just hold tight for just a minute. Okay, your paper pumpkin kit comes in this box, and I haven't even opened mine. This is the April kit, and the title of the kit is You Are My Anchor. And I hope this is on camera. Let me just move my computer out of the way. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription. You can cancel anytime. You get your ink spot. This ink spot is Island Indigo. They do not duplicate your ink spot. You'll get a different ink spot every month, so you can build your collection. This is the stamp set, and it is called You Are My Anchor, and that's what it looks like. It's got a couple of sayings. You are my anchor. Congratulations. You're a lifesaver. Adventure awaits. Thanks. For you. And ahoy. It's got anchors, boats, starfish, a lighthouse, and water and clouds. And it comes, your first kit comes with a block. This is not my first kit, so I won't have a block. You'll get a block to use. You just put your stamps on the stamp on the block, and you just stamp with it. So you will not get this one on your second month. You'll only get it in your first month. And like I was saying before, you know, I am not interested in making money. All I want to do is just share what I love with everybody. Everybody likes getting a card. I love to send cards. So if you want to personal message me, somebody that you would like to send a card to, I'll be more than happy to get you a card. If they're not feeling well, let's send them a card. If it's their birthday, let's send them a card. If they're just having a bad day or bad week, bad month, let's send them a card. So what you get in this kit, these are called dimensionals, and it helps give your cards dimension. This is the project sheet, and I'll get it up here a little bit closer for you to look closely at everything that you can make. And like I said, this is a beach theme, and it's very, very popular. It is actually sold out, but I think you can get refills. I'm not so sure on that one. It might be sold out. They usually do sell out. And it gives you an instruction sheet. This project kit colors are Calypso Coral, Island Indigo, and Pool Party. And it has quite a few projects. Usually you get 8 cards. This one is giving us enough to make 20 cards. So there's your project sheet. Here's your envelopes. These are small cards. These are note cards. Pool Party, Island Indigo are these colors. And Calypso Coral. And this one actually came with a project that makes a box, and this is the sleeve. And these are your card bases. It comes pre-scored to make little note cards. There is a starburst with water and more card bases with water. These are the little boxes, and you just assemble it. Comes already with the tape that holds the box together. And you get some tags that you stamp to personalize your cards with, and little pre-cut anchors. See, they just pop out, and you just stick them with those little dimensionals that I showed you earlier. And more, and glue dots. So everything that you need, and then it comes with some twine. So everything that you need to make cards or projects comes in this kit on a monthly basis. So I'm going to flip the camera back around. Hey, Debbie. Alright, so that is the April kit paper pumpkin. So if you are interested in this kit, just contact me, just send me a personal message, and we'll get you started on the paper pumpkin. So I really appreciate y'all's time, and thanks for watching. Bye.